What I have over here is a very special laptop, guys. This is Lenovo Solio Yoga Slim 7i Ultra 2026. In fact, this is one of the very first laptop I got my hands on that is based on Intel's Panther Lake platform, guys. Literally has like Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processors on board. So I'm like super excited to see what sort of benchmarks we'll get, performance we'll get to check out, and we'll be talking about all of that in this video. On top of that, this is also the FIFA World Cup 2026 variant laptop, guys. I mean, look at this. So basically Lenovo is like the official technology partner this time for FIFA, and basically has like FIFA logo as well on the front. Very cool, right? So thing is, a lot of people keep looking to buy a slim and compact laptop, especially for like business purpose, professional use, or even for like creative works, right? The Lenovo Solio Yoga Slim 7i Ultra comes in a super slim package, and the weight of this thing is less than 1 kg, guys. At the same time, no compromise in the performance. It's got some interesting hardware and spec on board. First of all, as I've told you, it's powered by Intel's Core Ultra Series 3 platform. Our particular variant is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 7 processor 355 that is based on Intel's advanced 18UI process node and comes with an improved NPU that can offer up to like 49 tops of AI performance. Not to miss out the display as well. You're getting a 14 inches display, 2.8K resolution, 120Hz OLED display on board, and comes with Dolby Vision support, Dolby Atmos, quad speakers over here that can produce up to like 8 watts of sound, and plenty of other interesting stuff, guys. So I'm like very excited to talk about this laptop in this video. And by the way, this video was made in collab with Lenovo and Intel. A big thank you to them. By the way, whatever feedback or opinion I'll be sharing in this video, right, they're completely based on my experience and usage only, and nothing influenced by anyone, guys. So let's get started. So our brand new Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Ultra 2026 came in this sort of packaging. Very simple packaging. You just have the Lenovo branding over here and a small FIFA sticker as well. Going to the side here, you can check out all the spec and variant. It's available in like multiple variants. Our particular variant is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 7 processor 355. Pair that with like 32 gigs of RAM, and I've already told you about the display spec and hardware, right? We'll talk about all the hardware configuration once we get started with the video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. There you go, boys. As soon as you open it, our brand new laptop came nicely packed like this, and oh my god, look at this. I've told you, right, this is the FIFA World Cup edition, so obviously the packaging is also a bit special. You've got the Lenovo and FIFA branding on the cover over here. Let me just quickly take out the laptop and show you. By the way, I believe the laptop is available in like different colors. We have the cosmic blue variant. Keeping that aside, you're also getting some accessories in the package, basically some paperwork. Just make sure to read that if you got time, and along with that, you're also getting some stickers over here, guys. FIFA branded stickers. Keeping that aside, in the package you're also getting a power adapter. It's a 65 watt USB-C power adapter, and yes, the laptop also supports rapid charge boost. So that's it, boys. These are all the items you got in the package. Let me give you a closer look at the laptop, and first of all talk about the whole design and build quality part. There you go, boys. Our very first hands-on and initial impressions at Lenovo Solio Yoga Slim 7i Ultra 2026. See, most of the Lenovo laptops till now only came with like silver accents on the body, right? But since this is the special FIFA World Cup 2026 edition, you're getting gold accents over here, along with a FIFA 2026 branding as well on the front. Like, how cool is that? You're getting a clean and minimal sort of design. There's nothing on the top lid, just the Lenovo logo and FIFA branding just below that. And also, if you can observe, there's a tiny Aura Edition branding as well. Obviously, this is Aura Edition laptop. You're getting lots of Aura experiences like smart mode, smart share, smart care. We'll definitely talk about all of these features at a later part in the video. Now, talking about the build quality, see, despite the looks, right, this is actually a tough and durable laptop. Lenovo says that the whole body is military standard 810H rated. The laptop feels quite sturdy, and let me tell you, the whole body is actually made of aerospace grade magnesium aluminum alloy material, so feels quite tough at the same time being super lightweight. And one more thing I have to highlight is this new laptop comes with their unique yoga coating on it, guys. Basically like a UV coating that offers like a silky smooth and soft touch sort of feel, very premium matte sort of finishing. And good thing is this coating offers you like dust and water repellent properties, plus it is also anti-fingerprint assistant. So basically, even if you touch it, right, it doesn't easily attract fingerprints on it, so less cleaning and maintenance you'll have to do. Definitely appreciate that. So let me give you like a complete physical overview and talk about about the whole thickness and profile. As I've told you at the beginning, laptop has a very compact and super slim design, guys. I mean, look at the side profile over here. Thickness of this laptop is only around 13.9 mm. I mean, that is damn slim, I would say. And coming to the weight, at the beginning only I've told you, right, ultra lightweight design. I'm not sure how Lenovo has actually managed to do this, but damn, despite packing such beefy hardware on board, it is under 1 kg, only weighs around like 975 grams. So it's super travel friendly, guys. Easily throw it in your backpack and you can take it anywhere. Let me give you like a closer look and show you all the available IO connectivity ports on this model. Starting off from the left profile, here you're getting two USB-C ports, and let me tell you, both of these support Thunderbolt 4.0 as well. There's a tiny charging LED indicator as well just between them. There is nothing on the front profile as well, and going to the other side, here you'll find a privacy e-shutter slide switch for the camera, and also a power button is there, and one more USB-C port. Even this one also supports Thunderbolt 4.0. Guys, connectivity ports are a bit limited over here. You're not even getting like a USB Type A port on this particular model, so you'll have to use some external accessories, maybe like a USB hub solution, and expand the whole connectivity ports on this particular model. Again, considering the whole thickness and super slim profile, right, this was expected, but I think it's quite manageable, guys, not that big of an issue. Anyways, here's how the bottom profile of the laptop looks like, and again, as I've told you guys, the entire body is made of like full metal only. You're getting plenty of cutouts on the bottom side, which features the laptop's cooling system. We'll come and talk about that during the performance section. You've got rubber foot pads on all the corners, and look at this, you even have the FIFA World Cup 2026 branding on the bottom side as well. So that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up the laptop and then we'll talk about the interiors as well. Okay, the first thing you'll notice as soon as you open the lid of the laptop is you can actually open it using a single hand, guys, just like this. Super stable and quality hinge they've used, no compromise over here. And I really like the color scheme as well. Black with cosmic blue variant definitely gives you a premium look and feel. Starting off from the upper half section, at the beginning only I've told you, right, this laptop comes with a 14 inches 2.8K resolution 120Hz OLED display. Look at the bezels as well, very slim bezels on the sides, but at the top and bottom you do have a little bit of chin. Going to the top side, here you'll find a 5 megapixel IR webcam, and as I've told you, it even has like privacy e-shutter function capability. So that's it about the upper half section, and going to the lower half section, here's how it looks like. Let me give you a closer look and talk about the keyboard and touchpad. Touchpad is a bit special over here, guys, so stay tuned. So on board, the laptop comes with a white LED backlit chiclet keyboard, and quality of the keyboard is very nice. I've been using the laptop for the last couple of days, right? Had a comfortable experience typing on this keyboard. Quality of the keys, key caps is also good. In fact, have a closer look. The key caps have a nice dished out sort of design, so they feel very nice when you're actually typing on them. And the key travel, everything was also like super comfortable. Coming down to the touchpad, Lenovo is actually calling it as a force pad, guys. Basically like a next gen variant of the touchpad that is force sensitive. And I'm telling you, right, quality of this thing is also very nice. Easily recognizes all my inputs and gestures, and my finger just glides on this surface. Premium quality force pad is what I can say. No dead zones anywhere, and as I've told you, it is force sensitive. So by applying a little bit of force anywhere on the touchpad, right, you can easily access the left and right click integrated buttons. Alright boys, keeping all that aside, let's actually move on and get to the main aspects of the laptop, and start off with the overall display quality and built-in speakers performance. So at the beginning only I've told you, right, this brand new laptop comes with a 14 inches 2.8K resolution, which is around 2880 by 1800 resolution, guys, and also supports 120Hz high refresh rate. And main highlight is you're getting Lenovo's PureSight Pro OLED display. This is not your regular OLED display, this is a OLED display, and the main difference is OLED display is much thinner than your regular OLED display. That is the reason the whole top panel, the display section, is super slim and in fact reduces the whole weight of the laptop, guys. And not only that, the panel also supports up to like 100% sRGB and 100% DCI P3 color gamut range as well. I've been using the laptop for the last couple of days as my daily driver and binged watch variety of content on this display, guys. Not just like simple music videos on YouTube, but even like movies and series on OTT platforms like Netflix and Prime Video. And honestly, I was blown away with the whole display quality experience, guys. Top notch panel Lenovo has used on this model. There's great amount of detail, 2.8K resolution at 14 inches. There is nothing less you can expect over here. Text looks crisp and clear, everything is easily readable, guys, and great amount of clarity. And talking about the contrast ratio, obviously this is a OLED display. You're going to get like near to infinite contrast ratio and true blacks is what I can say. Coming to colors, colors also look rich and vibrant. I mean, it supports up to like 100% sRGB and P3, right? There's nothing less you can expect over here. Wide color gamut range and colors look quite lovely on this panel, guys. I mean, just look at this sample demos over here. So especially if you're like using this laptop for creative applications or professional sort of use, maybe for like, color grading or video editing, stuff like that, you'll be like super happy and satisfied with the results. Viewing angles are also great. It's a POLED display. Picture looks the same no matter from which angle you're viewing. And coming to the brightness is also like super good, guys. It has a peak brightness of up to 1100 nits, and I had no issues checking out the display in most of the situations. Last but not the least, the panel also supports like Dolby Vision HDR. So especially if you're using it for like entertainment purpose, watching a lot of movies, right? I'm telling you, right, you're going to be super happy and satisfied. And last but not the least, one more thing I forgot to mention is the whole display is covered in Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, guys. So definitely appreciate that. Keeping the display part aside, let me also tell you about the audio experience. On board, you're getting quad speakers, dual tweeters and dual woofers, each of 2 watts, and can totally produce around like 8 watts of audio experience. See, usually I'm not that impressed with the audio experience on most of the laptops because you get like tiny speakers and the experience is not that satisfying. But that is not the case over here. Lenovo has given like quality drivers on board and the whole experience was pretty good. It is producing crisp and clear vocals. All the dialogues were like easily audible. Treble performance was also nice, and I'm telling you, right, the audio output was also loud and satisfying. I know, this is a part you people have been waiting for, right? How's the overall performance of this laptop? Because this is one of the very first Intel Panther Lake laptop in our house, right? So I'm also excited to share all the benchmarks and performance, everything with you people in this video. First of all, let me tell you about the whole hardware spec and configuration. This particular laptop is available in like multiple variants. Today in the home, our model is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 7 processor 355. As I've told you at the beginning, this is based on Intel's all new Core Ultra Series 3 platform, literally Panther Lake CPUs, guys, and is based on an advanced 18A process node. You're literally getting like 8 cores, 8 threads with a max turbo clock of up to 4.7 GHz, and again it's based on 3D performance hybrid architecture only, featuring P cores, E cores and LPE cores as well. This particular variant offers like 4 P cores and 4 LPE cores. P core stands for performance cores and LPE core stands for low power efficiency cores. And Windows automatically assigns the task based on the current scenario or workload application. You're also getting integrated Intel graphics, and not to forget, the newer Intel Core Ultra Series 3 platform come with an improved NPU on board that can offer up to like 49 tops of AI performance, guys. So especially if you're like a student or maybe you're from AI related background and you use a lot of applications that run on AI related stuff, right, that onboard NPU is definitely going to help you out with your situation. Apart from that, Windows has also introduced a lot of new AI features specifically for the Copilot Plus PCs, like for example live captions, co-creator option, and not to miss out, studio effects as well. Copilot Plus PCs are like a new range of Windows PCs that are specifically designed to handle all your AI related workloads and applications. Pair that with 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM clocked at 7467 MT per second, and also 1 TB PCI Gen 4 SSD, which is also upgradable up to 2 TB, so not an issue at all. So I've been using the laptop for the last couple of days for my day-to-day related works, office related stuff, like photo editing, text editing. I've also ran like a dozen Chrome tabs in the background and nothing seemed to slow it down. Overall performance has been great for my day-to-day usage. Again, I'm telling you, this is not a dedicated gaming laptop, so don't expect you'd be able to play like AAA title games with maximum graphics with triple-digit FPS. No, this is not made for that purpose. But still, who's gonna stop us from playing games? I mean, yes, casual gaming you'd like to do, right? So that is what we'll be testing out right now. For that sake, we will be playing some of the popular AAA title games in the market right now, and that too starting off with our all-time favorite GTA 5. We will be playing this game at 1080p resolution and all the graphics set to normal preset. And there you go, boys, just sit back, relax, and hope you enjoy the gameplay. Oh guys, are you looking at that frame rate? Not bad, right? I mean, considering a thin and light laptop, it was able to handle GTA 5, that too at 1080p resolution, normal graphics. We were easily getting around like 120 to 125 FPS. Not bad at all. Quite impressive considering that there is no dedicated GPU at all over here. So just like this, you can enjoy a lot of other casual games also smoothly on this laptop. Also, remember at the beginning I've told you that Lenovo's Aura Edition PCs offer some exclusive experiences. Here you're getting something known as Smart Modes, Smart Share, and also Smart Care. Aura experiences basically use AI enhanced features to intelligently adapt to whatever you're doing, no matter the scenario. You can access these smart modes either via the Lenovo Vantage app or directly by clicking on F9 function key on the keyboard for a quick access widget. So in the smart modes, you can choose between 3 different power modes available over here. You're getting extreme low power to extend the battery battery life, adaptive performance mode is also there, and lastly extreme power boost in case if you want to squeeze out the max potential out of this device. It totally depends on the scenario, guys. Like for example, if you're working, right, you can set it to the working mode. Apart from that, you're getting a dedicated gaming mode as well, creative mode is also there, meeting mode, and much more. And the laptop will automatically adapt and optimize various system settings to give you best and optimal sort of results. Plus lastly, auto mode is also there. Simply toggle this over here and laptop itself will take care of everything for you. Moving on, let me also tell you about Smart Share feature using Lenovo Smart Connect app. All you need to do is simply install this app on your phone and the laptop as well, pair both of them via Bluetooth and connect to the same Wi-Fi network. And now all you need to do is simply tap the phone gently to the left or right profile of the laptop, and that's it. Offers instant tap and share between your mobile and laptop. Once paired, you can easily share all the data on your phone's gallery and instantly copy files to and fro. All of this wirelessly. You can see my phone is not connected to the laptop, yet I can easily access everything present over here in my phone's gallery. Makes things quite convenient, I would say. Lastly, not to miss out, Lenovo Smart Cave feature, which offers expertise support at your fingertips. Easily accessible from the Lenovo's Vantage app, offers the right support when you need it with real-time troubleshooting from their expert technicians. Here you can have a chat with their virtual assistant or even have like a live chat with their agent to get immediate help for all your PC related queries. We're almost coming to an end, so let me also talk about the battery life. The Yoga Slim 7i Ultra comes with a 75 watt-hour battery, and battery life is quite impressive, I would say, guys. On a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 45 to 50%, doing day-to-day related applications, watching a bit of YouTube videos, and also like attending briefing calls or meetings, stuff like that, I was easily getting around like 14 to 15 hours of battery life on a single charge. Well, that is pretty much it, boys. Time to wrap it up. That was our video on Lenovo's all new Yoga Slim 7i Ultra FIFA World Cup 2026 edition. It's a great laptop, especially for like business works, creative needs, or AI related workloads as well. You're getting a beautiful 2.8K resolution POLED display, that too with multi-touch capabilities, quad speakers as well, powerful hardware in a slim and lightweight portable package, right? All-rounder laptop is what I can say. Super travel friendly. Coming to the price, I haven't told you about that, right? So this particular laptop, the pricing in India starts at around 1,71,718 rupees. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. You can visit Lenovo.com website to check out their entire range of PCs from IdeaPad, Yoga, Lock series to Legion gaming series as well. And apart from that, Lenovo also offers their customize your PC option exclusively on Lenovo.com website, where you can completely configure the device as per your specs and requirement and get your device delivered within 4 days of purchase in select locations. More details in the description box below. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.